Hello everybody, this is Cap here with the 25th video in my beginner C++ tutorial series. So in this video we are going to be continuing on the topic of pointers. And I might do a few more videos just to make sure that you guys get the concept of pointers and how they can be used or how they work. So in this video we are going to be talking about reseating pointers as well as using constants. So one of the things that pointers can do that references can't, and I'll get into references in future tutorials, is they can be reseated. So what I mean by that is if we have this pointer here pointing to the address 100 up here, somewhere else in our code we can actually reseat this pointer to point to address 104. So in code we could say int a equals 10, int b equals 30, and then int pointer p is equal to the address of a. And we'll say cout the value stored in that address. And then we're going to say p equals the address of b, and then print out the value stored at that address. So let's save it and then run it. So as you can see, it printed out 10 and 30. So we started out with the pointer pointing to the address of a, and then we printed out the value at that address, which was of course 10, and then we reseated the pointer to point to b, the address of b, and then we printed out that value, which was 30. So that is how you reseat a pointer. So the second thing I wanted to talk about was constants. Constants are a bit of, well, they're an area of confusion when people are working with pointers, because there are a few different things that you can actually make constant in this little expression here, or in this line. If we put the constant over here, or the keyword const, what we're doing is we're saying that we have a pointer that's pointing to a constant integer. So if we try to say p dereferenced p equals 20, it won't let us because we're saying that this is constant. We don't want this to change. So we take that away. Oh, a little too far there. Now it allows it because it's no longer a constant. And if we put the constant on this side, it does the exact same thing. It tells it we're pointing to a constant integer. Now you can still change it by accessing a. We're just saying that we don't want the pointer to be able to change it. Change the value of it. So now if we actually cut that and paste it in here, now what we're saying is we have a constant pointer, which means that we can no longer reseat this pointer. It is always going to be pointing to the address of a. So we can modify the value all we want, we just can't move the pointer or reseat the pointer. So if we came down here and said p equal address b, it'll flag it because we're not allowed to move it because it's a constant pointer. So I just thought that I would go over that in this tutorial to kind of, alleviate some of that confusion that I'm sure a lot of people that have tried to use the const keyword with pointers have kind of run into. So if you like this video, please let me know by hitting the like button. If you've watched a few of my videos and really like them, go ahead and subscribe so you can see when I post new ones. And I would like to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.